You are overcharged. I can process the refund now if you confirm the screen I am sending.
A refund is good, but why do you need my screen?
Pause there. This is the first signal. Receiving a refund requires installing tools or logging into banking. This file is about the subscription refund support scam. The caller does not need every detail to be true. They only need the next step to feel reasonable. Red flag 1 is channel control. A real billing support can survive you leaving this call and verifying through an official route. A scammer needs you inside their route. Red flag 2 is that the fix creates the risk. The caller makes subscriber click, pay, install, approve, reveal, or log in somewhere unusual. Red flag 3 is artificial speed. The deadline is there to make checking feel expensive. The faster the caller demands action, the slower your next move should be. Use this test. Handle refunds only through the official account page. Do not use the link, number, app, transfer path, or remote tool supplied by the caller. Remember the pattern: private channel, risky fix, artificial speed. In this file, the clearest signal was this: receiving a refund requires installing tools or logging into banking. Charity scams use urgency and conscience. This is fake call files. Decode the call before it costs you.